hold it. You gotta be patient. Stand over here by me.
Well, the reception's gonna suck on this. I'm keeping it right in this spot specifically for the reception of the radio. Oh. I forgot to put it on voice, damn it.
An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 466, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 466 has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Urgent weather.